Hi y'all, before this last video that goes up from Dwayne's last course at We Rock in Tennessee, I wanted to come on real quick. As you watch the video, you're going to notice a couple of silent spots. I do apologize for that. It was not the best of day for me, and I pointed out in the video some things that I saw that I did not approve of. However, in the end, I realized that we can only control what we do, and we love the sport. We love We Rock. We love going out there and competing with all the other competitors. It's like a huge family. So as I edited the video a little bit, I took out some of the things that I said that I really should have never said in the first place. Keep that in mind as you're watching, and I hope you enjoy this next video. All right, guys, we are waiting for Dwayne to get all buckled in. He is going to be on his last course for the night. He is in third, I believe, right now, so he's going to push it really hard on this course. He's going to do his best to get up there for y'all. So I'm going to turn this around. He is getting ready, talking to his spotter, figuring out what's going on. So when he comes in, guys, I'm actually going to move out of the way. I do not want to be anywhere downhill from where he's at. I will have to move quickly. I'm sorry, guys. I will have to move quickly, so I am totally out of his way at all times. And he is starting. Up he goes. Jimmy's up there stacking some rocks, getting some stuff done. It does look like he's going to try for that first bonus. That is way off camber, guys. If Jimmy jumped down, it would be over his head, that upper cone. You can see he's in there. He's going to be leaning. He's got that judge down below. It did just finish raining, so these rocks are a little bit wet. It does look like he got his front tires through clean. Now let's see how he does on climbing that cliff. He did use his rear steer. You see that mud is caked on his tires. Like I said, it did just get done raining. He is the first one up. Now that is a tight turn on the side of a hill. Just for safety purposes, I came outside of the banner. It does look like he's going to try for regular gate number 2. Now you see these judges are watching Dwayne very, very closely. So Dwayne wants to hug that top cone. Let's come over here and get a better view. Now it looks almost flat, but that is not anywhere near being flat. So Dwayne is now going to go do a quick turnaround. And so long as he stays on this side of that last gate he went through, he is in good position. He is just doing that so he can line up nicely with that last gate he's got to get through. So this is a major breakover, and you see him sliding those that rear tire sliding down. That's because the rocks are wet. Now he did make it through that gate nice and clean, y'all. All he has to do is get his front two tires out of the exit gate, and then that will be it. What is done is done. He can do nothing else. That is all he's got to do for today. Until later, until next time, you know it. As always, I love you. Thank you for watching.